Unlock your goals. Understanding. Set one's sights on. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase that's all about ambition and goals. Set one's sights on. This expression is a powerful tool in the English language, symbolizing determination and focus. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations and writings. So, let's get started. Set one's sights on is a phrase that conjures up images of focus and precision. Originally derived from the terminology used in aiming with firearms or other targeting devices, it metaphorically means to determine to achieve something. When you set your sights on something, it becomes your goal, your target, the thing you're working hard to achieve. This expression emphasizes a high level of intention and ambition. To fully grasp the usage of set one's sights on, let's look at some examples. Career ambitions. After graduating, she set her sights on becoming a CEO of a major tech company. This shows a clear, ambitious career goal. Academic goals. He set his sights on getting into Harvard University. Here, the focus is on achieving a specific educational milestone. Personal achievements. They've set their sights on running a marathon by the end of the year. This illustrates setting a personal fitness goal. In each case, the phrase communicates a strong desire and a clear objective. Incorporating set one's sights on into your English is a great way to express determination. Here are a few tips. Be clear about your goal. The phrase is best used when your goal is specific and ambitious. Context matters. It fits well in conversations about future plans, ambitions, and dreams. Variations. Remember, you can adjust the phrase to fit the subject, like, sets their sights on, setting my sights on, etc., depending on who is the subject of your sentence. Understanding and using the phrase, set one's sights on, can add depth to your conversations and writings, allowing you to express your goals and ambitions clearly and powerfully. We hope this video has helped you grasp this concept and inspired you to set your sights on mastering even more aspects of the English language. Keep aiming high, and thanks for watching.